how to use Meta AI on Facebook. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can use Meta AI on your Facebook account. So first of all, you will have to go to your Play Store, and then you will have to search for the Facebook. Once you have done this, you will simply have to tap right here on install button, and once you have done with your installation, you just simply go to your app and you have to open this. After that, you will have to simply search here Meta AI. You can see that I have found Meta AI option, so I can simply have to tap right here on Meta AI. Once I have done this, you can see that I can ask anything from Meta AI, so I can simply have to write my query there. So let me type. Once I have done this, I can simply have to tap right here on the send button, and you will have to wait for a second, and you can see that Meta AI give me my answer. So this is how you can easily search for Meta AI on your Facebook account. Hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.